Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we shall see how we can how we can find out the subtotal using the subtotal tools. If we go to data tab, we shall find the subtotal tools in the toolbar. This is the subtotal tools. So I have made a chart. Here you can see some header: month, employee names, regions, and sales figure. If we want to find out the subtotal based on month, then see how we can find out. At first, let's make it A to Z ascending. To make it ascending A to Z, select all this and click on the A to Z ascending. Yes, it is done. So here are 3 months: August, September and October. If we want to find out sales figure only for the month of August, then see how we can find out. Select this chart. We shall find out month-wise subtotal. Click on subtotal, click on yes. Here at each change in am not employee, we want month-wise function. Here are some functions, have some, count, average, max, minimum. We need some, so it is default, it is set. We shall keep it as it is. We want sales figure, so click on sales figure and now click on OK. Here it is. And in the month of August, total sales is 90,000. For the month of October, total sales is 105,000. For the month of September, it is 100,000. If you want to get back to the previous form, then just select all the cells, select and click on subtotal, click on yes, click on remove all. Now we are in the previous chart. Now if we want to find out the sales figure based on the employee name, then how we can do it? At first, ascend the names of the employee. Click on A to Z. Yes, it is done. Now select the chart, click on subtotal. Yes. Now we want sales figure of employee, so click on employee. Function is sum, this is okay. We want sales figure, this is also okay, so click on OK. Now we can see it has returned as employee name wise sales figure. The total sales of Edward is 70,000, Luke is 75,000, Robin is 70,000, Samuel is 80,000, and here is grand total. Okay, now let's see another thing. Here is, you can see 1, 2, 3. If we click on 3, nothing happens. If we click on 2, it shows only the employees total sales. Edward 70,000, Luke 75,000, Robin 70,000, Samuel 80,000. So grand total is 295,000. What happens if we click on 1? It shows only the grand total. If we click on +1, it gets back another. In the number 2, click on +1, another get back, it gets back another, click on plus, it get back. Now if we click on select all the cells and click on subtotal, yes, and click on remove all, it will go back to the previous form. See, yes, it has gone to the previous form. So using this subtotal tools, we can find out individual information. Hope you can understand. If you like this, please thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.